Hello everyone, I'm Jaden here from Dr.Clear Aligners. Let me share some things about our company. We are a fast-growing clear aligners company founded in Singapore, and we are in 10 countries around the globe with more than hundreds of clinics partners across the country. We offer both B2C and B2B business model with highly effective marketing campaigns as the successful startups that keep growing during the pandemics. We provide premium clinical treatments and quality aligners with affordable prices in the markets, and till today, we have assessed more than 60,000 teeth profile assessments and helps more than 10,000 patients to transform their new smile. We are currently still looking for more dental clinics partnerships. So if you are interested to actually grow together with DCA and build more patient flow and traffic in your clinics, please contact us.